In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms 5 minutes. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. From there, open the Apps area and choose Forms. That takes you straight to your Forms home, where you can see all the forms you've created or have access to. Go ahead and select the form you want to work on so we can edit it in the form editor. Inside the editor, let's first create a section so you can see how merging and deleting work. On the right-hand toolbar, click the Add Section button. You'll see a new section appear with its own header and space for questions. Sections are helpful for organizing longer forms, creating page breaks, and setting up branching so different respondents see different parts of the form. Think of them as chapters that make your form easier to navigate. Now let's look at merging. Hover over the section header you want to combine, click the More menu, the 3 vertical dots, and choose Merge with Above. When you do this, the questions and content in the selected section move into the section above and the extra section header disappears. You won't lose any questions. They're simply consolidated into one continuous section. If you had navigation rules or branching pointing to the section you just merged, it's a good idea to quickly review those settings afterward to make sure the flow still makes sense. And remember, if you change your mind, you can use undo right away. Next, let's delete a section. Again, hover over the section header, open the More menu, and select Delete Section. You'll be asked to confirm. Deleting removes the section and everything in it, including its questions. So double check that you don't need that content before confirming. If you're cleaning up a form structure, deleting is a quick way to remove a page break and its associated items. After deleting, take a moment to review any branching logic to ensure respondents won't be sent to a missing section. A couple of quick tips as you work. Merging isn't available for the very first section because there's nothing above it to merge into. If you're unsure whether to merge or delete, merging keeps your questions while removing the extra section break, whereas deleting removes the section and its questions entirely. When in doubt, duplicate your form first so you have a backup to revert to. That's it. You've learned how to open forms from Drive, add a section, merge it with the section above, and delete a section safely. Thanks for watching and happy form building.